Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up dynamic DNS for VPS using DuckDNS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the DuckDNS website. Once there, create an account if you don't have one, or log in if you already do. After logging in, you will see an option to create a new subdomain. Choose a desired subdomain name and add it to the input field. Then, click on the Add Domain button to register your subdomain. Next, take note of the generated token, as you will need it later. Now, access your virtual private server, or VPS, using SSH. Log in with your credentials to access the command line interface of your VPS. Once logged in, update your system packages to ensure everything is current. You can do this by entering the appropriate update command for your operating system. After the update, you'll need to install a tool called curl if it's not already installed. Use the package manager for your OS to install curl. Now that curl is installed, you need to create a script that will update DuckDNS with your VPS IP address. Use a text editor to create a new shell script file. In the script, enter the curl command that includes your DuckDNS subdomain and token. Make sure to format the command correctly, substituting your actual subdomain and token. After saving the script, make it executable by running the appropriate chmod command. Now, you'll want to set up a cron job to run this script at regular intervals. Open the cron tab editor by entering the cron tab command in the terminal. Add a new line in the cron tab that specifies how often you want to run the script. A common setting is to run it every 5 minutes. Save and exit the cron tab editor. Your DuckDNS dynamic DNS service is now set up on your VPS. To confirm it's working, you can check your DuckDNS dashboard after a few moments. You should see your VPS IP address updated under your subdomain. Now you can access your server anytime using your DuckDNS subdomain. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.